Now this moment we have the Bhadai home site of the garden. It is very good situation. Now this garden of mango. Mango is the end of the seed mango and various lengra mango. Now this moment we have the very good situation. Now this moment the weather is very good, but AC weather. So because AC weather, it is very good situation for our body. AC weather is the all the time collection our body and protection our body. Not any disease not attack our body. So now corona come our country. Two man is Bangladesh dead and 2000 is the supply. And now this moment we see Borgona hospital 2104 man is attacked the dengue and 20 man is dead the dengue is forever. So do not worry in this moment. Here has the Dhangal pond has the water hyacinth, and do not worry in this moment all this all.